Corner, where every topic has a voice
and every conversation matters.
Let's talk!
Or maybe that time, but I cannot.
Pero parang ningon ka na ko nga murag na miss ni mo bigla si Derek at that time.
No, when I met her, no, not anymore.
What, not anymore, but
before that.
Before that.
When I was still with the old man.
Yeah.
So, I have the feeling is what I feel is right now the same thing. It's because of my high cholesterol.
It's not about like the feelings to Derek, but it's because na high cholesterol. High cholesterol.
I blame it to my feelings. I thought that I'm still missing Derek. But
yeah, but that's
no.
actually it's because the cause
my heart is squeezing like a lot, but it's not about that because I'm missing him. No, it's because I have high cholesterol.
Oh, that's funny. So, high cholesterol and the eye. So, mga viewers, wala na dahil siya na hurt. Kasi sometimes, namagoy ka na kang ma-hurt ka nga na lain na imong ex. Especially nga napakay feelings, right?
Remember, I'm the one who left him because I have no more feelings for him.
I see. So, different. So, never in your lifetime sa imong from previous, like not even in direct relationship nga nagkuan ka kanang murago kag na hurt. Nga nakita nimo imong ex nga naanay lain.
Well, I think I had because I've been talking to him, and I think there's a little bit that panghinayang.
O panghinayang.
Yeah, there's a little panghinayang, but you know,
pero kanang
I move on.
Kasi dili na pwede, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi nakadecide na ka na dili na ka mo balik, and yeah.
For me as a Scorpio sign, once I left, I never go back.
Oh, yeah, same thing. So nami common denominator Scorpio and Aries na once na done nami, human nami sa among ex, dili na jud mi mo balik. But I don't know other Aries, maybe na sila mga different
talking about like living with breaking up, like when I'm done with you, I'm done with you. I never go back.
Oh, that's actually a good personality na dapat nimo panon.
That doesn't mean I don't have the feeling. I still have the feelings.
Yeah, it's because maybe I don't know, maybe it's a pride or ego nga nasa atong mga babaye. Because like as you said sa among topic before is we are independent women, so it's not really kanang care. We don't really care kung kanang kuan. We have someone with us or so that's also affect.
That's good. Wala na. It's not maingay anymore.
Oo nga pala kay wala day na naingay day ito, no?
Yeah, it was maingay a while ago because now that they're
maingay.
Mute yourself.
Oh yeah.
Mute yourself, yeah. You can still hear us, right? Oh, okay. That's good.
So so in my part too, kato ako like mga 20 when I was 20. So na ako ay mga heartbroken. Well, my first heartbroken is when I was 22.
Yeah. Okay.
So nakita na ko nga na siya lain. So that's actually murag na hurt jud ko. That's my first heartbroken.
Yeah.
Na hurt ko kay na siya lain, and then so wala na.
Na mo.
So nagbulag na to, ex na siya, pero na hurt gyapon ko pagkita na ko. Murag something na murag kog nag-shake. Like something different. Murag na in love ko ato niya. So mao tong murag kuan kanang pagkita na ako na hurt ko, and murag na flashback na ako tong mga memories namo, and then
how many months naman mo nga hiwalay?
Maybe that's only 6 months like that.
Oh, that's a long time. Oh my God.
Yeah, 6 months. But after our break up, no, wala mi nakita. And then after, I saw him with the girl. So ako, oh my God, why I'm still hurting? So I didn't move on. So na-realize na ako, wala pa dahil ko totally naka-move on.
Oh, that's sad.
Kasi wala man po ko nagkig-flirt og lain. So maybe
okay.
kung makipag-flirt ka sa lain no, something na kuan porag ay mong feelings mawala dayon maybe.
Wa ka nang uyab dayon.
Wala ko nang then after.
Ako kay nag-broke up na ako, I go for date right away.
Oo, so believe ko aning bayhana ni kay once gani. Since na nakailan ako si Grace.
For me, I don't wanna suffer. Because if I will, I have an ex that he told me like oh my God, you're dating right away. We just broke up like a
Yeah.
week ago. And
Yeah.
like, of course, why would I wait? Why would I magmukmok sa tabi at tapos i-reminisce yung heartaches?
Oh.
What the heck?
So ang imuhang way is dili nimo kuan
There's
ko
a
di ka mo
heartache. I
hold
cried
on.
too.
Yeah, mo cry ka but
I cried
it's not
too.
like kanang
Yeah,
imong
but-
mag-hold
Yeah,
jud
I
ka
go
or
out. I meet with
unsay
friends.
tawag ana kanang mura kag mag ano pa imo pang embrace ang
Oh.
kasakit. So ang imuha is dili na let go na nimo dayon. No? Kasi
dili
kung
ka lilit.
mura kag in a way nga para dili ka sakit kaayo so mo jump in ka into relationships.
Okay, let's say that. But if there is, but sometimes when I'm really hurt, if I'm the one really
Hurt.
no, I can't. Like, but there's time. Like, but I will wait for a week.
For a week? Yeah, that's the shortest.
I will cry
that's,
for a week.
that's the shortest kanang time
Yeah,
to heal.
a week.
Oh,
Not
wow.
really to heal 1 week, but I will cry for a week, and then
And then-
I will say like, okay,
Move on.
like yeah,
Like-
I
like
can't,
fine.
I can
Take it
die
in.
like because of him. Oh my God,
Yeah.
I have a
We actually, my first
It's a
heartbroken, it
waste of
seems
time.
like I'm gonna die. My world stopped. Did you feel that? I really feel like that my world stopped.
Yeah,
I also find myself na para kong clingy, para kong attach right away. Ma-attach ko right away kasi
I move on. I move on right away.
yeah.
My love was still there, and I will love you from afar.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
afar from afar.
From afar.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm
Naak pa kay feelings
not
pero
confident, but I will not go back. I will love you from afar.
Oh, that's the kuan nato kanang murag unsa ning tawag ani murag i-title nato na. I-title nato na oh, love from afar.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba bongga? So bongga si Miss Grace. So mga viewers, kung naamoy mga kuan pod kanang mga experience about sa inyong mga exes, pwede ninyong i-share. Comment lang mo dayon atong i-share ang inyong experience.
Comment
Kana
and,
ni
subscribe,
mga
don't
chika-chika
forget.
lang ta, dili lang ta magchika, dili lang ta magmarites, but this is kanang sa
Yeah,
among
it's a
mga
personal, yes,
personal
yeah.
life, sa mga
And personal
experiences.
experience, yeah.
Yes, di ba?
Yeah.
So,
I have so many experience, good, bad, and
Yeah.
funny.
and pwede nato
experience.
ma-learn nato kung ato ang unsa itong mga mistakes, then ma-learn nato and become inspiration pud nato on how
Correct,
to
yeah.
handle and dealing life every day. Di ba, Miss G?
Correct, Miss Chel.
Yes. So, unsa man na-enjoy mo sa among topic karon?
So we're gonna try to talk to my sissy, my baby sissy. It's her
Yes.
turn now to tell her story. If you saw your ex with somebody out in out in public or in a park,
What you gonna
how
feel?
you gonna react?
Yes.
Are you still listening?
That's our guess. Okay. Yes.
Actually, we were having a good time listening to you chatting and talking about your exes.
Experience, yes.
So, I like the comment of loving you from afar.
Yes. Oh.
Yes. I will love you. I will love you from afar.
Yeah.
I've not done that yet, but I will try and do that.
That's good. All of my exes, I still love them. I still
Oh,
love
you
them.
still love them?
That's why I'm still talking to them.
Oh.
So hard, that gets hard.
No. I will. Yeah, exactly. Like I still talk to them. Actually, all of them.
So I was very curious. How is it the love that for them they have a different kind of
Different
love?
now.
Different
it's
kind.
not, It's
yeah.
not romantically love. It's like friendship love now.
Oh,
like that, because
I see,
You
yeah.
are part of my life before. And you
Oh.
are still part of my life forever, but not romantically. No more of those things. Like I will never go like make another relationship kind of like that. Never.
Oh, I
No.
see. So
Yeah.
it's just like more on friendship.
But lots of them want me back, but no, I can't.
Yeah.
Like you know me, like even the dad of my youngest is still waiting for me.
Mm.
Yeah, and I could give him
A chance.
but no, he offered me so many things. lots of nice things, but no.
Oh.
I'm done.
Oh, wow.
Give me the offer, but I'm done with you.
You are really, you have,
Hold up their exes because you're loving them from afar.
Yeah.
yes, correct, because you are loving them from, correct, right. Right, so,
It makes sense.
So, okay, your turn now, baby BCC. My BBCC, your turn.
My turn?
yeah, share your experience. Sige.
Wow. At my age, I have many relationships, but it depends if I'm in love with someone and then we broke up and then I haven't experienced that I met them and then he's with another person. Nothing. But if it happens, probably if I still have feelings, syempre masakitan jud ko no kay di ko manlit no.
Yes, correct.
Na labayon ka na. Oh, ginangkal. Pero wala ko kakita good na kung ka ng mga exes kay we stay friends man. Dili po ni mo move on ganit straight away. So nahagapon ang kanang communication, nahagapon ang kanang helping each other how to move on, how to cope with the heartache, di ba? Namin nga anak ko niya. For example, nagbuhat mo, but katong panagbuhat ninyo is mutual gani ang inyong feelings. Kaya dili pa mo pwede, something kind of like that. So you help each other to move on. So, kaya pag-ready na mo, mag-ready na ang utang na mo go into another relationship, niya ang usa, okay po, hindi na kayo siya sakit, no?
Oo. Hala, ganahan ko
Diba?
Ganahan ko anak dyan. Parang
Kailangan ka anak.
oo, kasi ang murag, gikuan pa ninyo, gi-comfort ninyo ang usag-usa, di ba? Gi-comfort ninyo. Dayon, usa mo na mag-let go, oh, we're ready na, pwede na mong mag-move on. Hala, yeah, that's nice. Nice one.
Katagalan man ko sa kanang heart, kanang nagbuwag na mga bitterness, na mga buwan, di ba? It's
Yes,
better man sa Diyos na magbuwag mo nga friendship mo, you help each other to move on, kaysa malabayan niya kagulang kalunsaon na lang.
Bitaw,
So, sa ako kay kanang,
oh.
sa amo pa nagbulag, sakit yung kayo.
Oo.
Sakit yung kayo. Niya mo na nga magbulag. Di sabi magtingganay for 6 months to 1 year.
Oh, so
Kalaban man mi.
kay gukal pa man mo ana, before mo nagbulag nagbugnoanay pa man mo. Nagbugnoanay pa man.
Nakamupo na mi pareho. Pwede na mi mag-istorg balik niya. Umupo naman mi pareho. Muna nga sa nga kanang, mo ta kong ginaingon nga, my love is just like friendship love, like no.
Oo,
you know,
yeah,
like,
loving
it's
from
like,
afar.
yeah.
Kasi ang kuan de, ang kagris is kuan man violent first. Pero nagpatay pa sila. Pero nagpatay sa sila dahil pagka 3 days na kuan sila na banhaw. So mo na to, pero ganahan ko sa ka-Janice pod nga kuan experience nga kanang marag comfort sa sila sa usag-usa.
Tinuod ba ng comfort, Darlene?
Wala ba'y mga bunog ana? Wala ba'y mga black eye?
Wala, puro hila. I witness.
Oh.
I witnessed the crying. Even me, I was crying.
Oh.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
crying. Never mind.
Okay, kita good kanang it's real. We are real. Yeah, we are human na parang masakitan jud ta, no?
Mga kuwan, dili pa man to buwag. Kanang buwag man, di ba we're talking, the topic is
Sa mga ex na. Yeah, just right.
Ex.
Yeah.
When you saw your ex out in the public and with somebody,
it's painful pa to.
painful kayo gani.
Oh,
Okay.
sige. Okay, thank you so much, Janice. Palakpakan na to si Janice. Yay! Yay! Among mga audience, duha ra ka buo kami ra pod. So viewers,
Nag-record pa mo.
oo, nag-record. So among mga audience, kami ra pod diri. Mo ni among studio by the way, guys. Ang among studio, ano studio da chada di ba? Oh. So mao ra to. So unsa may atong lain na pod?
Wala na po.
Oh, sige. Ako ning i-off na to.
Ako na
Sige.
po.
So bye. Mag-bye sa data.
Oh, bye sa ta.
Oh, unsa to atong bye?
Chat Corner. Real talk with real people. Ciao.
Bye for now.